Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Zilch credit card in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you can either do it via the Zilch mobile application on your device, or you can also come here on zilch.com/UK, and here on this particular page, you are going to see this apply button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, whichever method you choose, you just have to simply come here on this particular sign up page. Over here, you need to provide your email address and then click on the option of apply now. Now on the next page, you may be asked to provide some of the details about yourself, like your first name, your last name, your mobile number and your address. And after that, Zilch is going to send a verification code in order to confirm all of these details. Now, once your account is created, Zilch may ask for the date of birth, the home address, and your photo ID. So the approval depends heavily on the identity checks and the basic eligibility review. Zilch also perform a soft credit check during the sign up in order to access the eligibility. So if you are approved, the application may usually show you all of your available spending limit. So it is going to look something like this. All of your available credits will be shown on the top right hand corner, and if you have received any kind of rewards balance, it will be shown over here on this particular section. So when you select any of these brands over here, in order to purchase them, you will be shown further 4 payment options, like you can either pay now, you can pay over 6 weeks, or you can pay over 3 months. So you can select any of these options and then select the option of choose pay. Afterwards, you will be shown your card. So in order to activate it, simply tap on the option of activate card or enable card here in the bottom. And now your virtual Zilch card becomes available for online shopping, for Apple Pay or Google Pay integrations as well. So that's how you can apply for it. Thank you.